What we saw was evidence of a decades-long campaign of deception that was damaging and destructive.
California takes aim at 5 major oil companies, suing them, accusing them of downplaying climate change. Attorney General Rob Bonta claims they misled the public about the dangers of fossil fuels. Thanks for joining us. I'm J.R. Stone. You're watching ABC 7 News at 11. Our top story tonight centers on the climate crisis. Bringing you stories like this is part of our focus here at ABC 7 as we work to build a better Bay Area. Happening tomorrow, that lawsuit will take center stage in the Big Apple. California Attorney General Rob Bonta and Governor Gavin Newsom will both be there to speak at Climate Week. During the opening ceremony, they're expected to talk about the lawsuit against those big oil companies. But before that, ABC 7 News reporter Ryan Curry caught up with the Attorney General today to learn more.
California is taking on major oil companies claiming they deceived the public about how oil and fossil fuels contributed to climate change.
Documentation of internal discussion among fossil fuel big oil leaders talking about the impact on global warming and on climate of their industry. And as they acknowledged that internally and privately, they were telling the world something different.
Attorney General Rob Bonta is demanding the companies fund recovery efforts following the state's extreme weather events he says have been fueled by climate change.
We've brought multiple causes of action against them, from public nuisance to destruction of natural resources to deception and falsification to failure to warn.
The Attorney General's office filed the complaint Friday night against 5 major oil companies, 2 of which are here in the Bay Area, Chevron and this one, ConocoPhillips in Rodeo. Climate activists tell us it's about time somebody takes legal action, big legal action, against oil companies.
As essential as their products are to our daily functioning, they also kill us. And this industry has been giving with one hand, taking away with the other.
One of the parties involved in the lawsuit is the American Petroleum Institute. In a statement, they said this ongoing coordinated campaign to wage meritless, politicized lawsuits against a foundational American industry and its workers is nothing more than a distraction from the important national conversations and an enormous waste of California taxpayer resources. A big question is what this will do to gas prices that already risen in the past few years. The Attorney General says the goal of this lawsuit is to hold the companies accountable for actions over climate change.
It was caused by big oil, who knew this day would happen and these results would happen, and they lied about it. And while they profited.
Ryan Curry, ABC 7 News.